Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Digital Lesson Introduction of Marketing Management Marketing Mix. What have we covered in previous lectures? Basic meanings, concept and definitions of marketing, difference between marketing and selling, orientation and philosophy of marketing, objective and functions of marketing, features of marketing, importance of marketing, meaning of marketing mix elements. Link to the previous lecture is in the description below. Now, today we talk about marketing mix. What is marketing mix? What do you understand by marketing mix? I am explaining the detail of marketing mix. Marketing mix comprise of closely interrelated elements. So, it is necessary to examine each of these elements to be clear about their respective role. It's a mix of closely interrelated element, and if you examine all the element about their role, it is a good marketing mix combination. Let's take example of a recipe. The ingredients are the marketing function. Just a recipe vary according to dish. So different marketing strategy require different elements of function ingredient. If minor ingredients is miscalculating, a recipe may not be successful. Same thing involved for marketing mix. There are n number of elements and they are all closely related. If any combination is not good, your strategy is not good. When we develop a marketing strategy, we use this tool of the marketing mix to develop their strategy. Whenever you are deciding your marketing strategies, marketing mix play a very important role. Marketing mix means all the interrelated elements. Each of these elements possesses a number of variables whose emphasis can be varied to a chosen strategy. And all of those elements have a number of variables which we discuss in another slides, whose emphasis can be varied to a chosen strategy. Means, depend on your dish, you mix the ingredient. Same thing, depend on your market strategy, you use the variable. In our next slides, we will talk detail about the variables. This is the variable slides of the ingredients. Product, price, promotion, place. It's a small description. Product, design, packaging, display, brands, price, label, discrimination, discount, promotion, advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, place, warehousing, transportation, service, stock holding. What is this? This is all the ingredients of variables. And once you make any type of strategy of any product or any marketing plan, you have to mix all the variable in a proper proportionate. If your proportionate is not good or maybe mismatched, your market strategy will not be successful. So the detail of these elements we will discuss in the later slides, means the detail of product, detail of price, detail of promotion and detail of place. As we discuss nowadays, we discuss 8 P's, but for now we are explaining only 4 P's. We will cover remaining P's in the subsequent lecture. And this 4 P is the essential element or essential piece of the marketing. Product, number one piece of marketing mix. A product is anything that can be offered to a market to satisfy a wants or needs. Many people think a product is an intangible, but technically a product includes physical goods, services, experience, events, person, place, properties, information and idea. Means a product means it's not like that you are giving something to your customer like tangible product. It include definitely physical goods means tangible product, services like barber services, law services, doctor, all comes under services. Experience. Nowadays, all businessmen wants to expand their business. For making their strategy, they hire consultant. Consultant provide their experience and make their strategy well. So it is also a part of product. Events. Events means now there are n number of events organized by different organization to promote their product, to promote their services. So it's also comes under product. Person, celebrity. If you call some celebrity, so it's again a product. Place. Place means like tourism places. If you want to go Shimla, Manali, or maybe Bangkok, Pattaya. So this is also the product, because if I am running my tourism services or tourism travel company, so this places is like product for me. Properties. Properties means real estate properties. Real estate properties or maybe the plot. Plot is again the piece of land. It's a product for me. Information and idea. Once you appoint some specialized person in your organization to get some information and idea about growing of your business, it's again a product, because he is selling his services to you. So because you want those services, because you want to grow more and more in your organization, and you want to make good brand image in your market to satisfy human wants and needs. That's why you need the specialized information and idea. So this all includes product. Product means not only tangible. The product is cornerstone of marketing mix. Cornerstone, it means milestone. Like for example, if you are making any building, the milestone is the base of any building. If milestone is not good, your building is not good and it cannot stand properly. Same thing for the product. If your product is okay, definitely your marketing mix is good. It should be considered as the starting point of the marketing strategy. Exactly. Because if you don't have anything, like for example, I am the barber, so I am giving my barber services. I am the consultant. It means I am sharing my experience, my ideas. So if I don't have anything, so how I can make my strategy? Without it, there is nothing to promote or price or to distribute or to promotional mix. Because if you have anything, you decide the price of those things. You use some promotional tools to promote your product. You distributed it and so on. So that's why product is the milestone of any marketing mix. Customer value hierarchy. 5 product level. This is the 5 product level of customer value. Number 1, the smaller circle is the core benefit of the product. Means the services or product the customer is really buying for those benefits. Let's take example. If I am entering in any hotel to take the room for night stay. So hotel room is my core benefit, means I need one room for staying in the hotel. It is my core benefit. Second one, the second circle, basic product. When you entering any hotel and you take the room is the core benefit. So what do you mean by basic product? Basic product means basic thing included in the room, like bed, bathroom, towel, clothes list and dresser. Now, third circle, expected product. A set of attributes and condition buyer normally expect when they purchase this product or services. Means when I am entering in any room and I am just taking one room as a rent for staying night in the hotel, it is my core benefit. The basic thing like bed, bathroom or towel, it's my basic product included in the core benefit. So expected product means like I am expecting clean bed, clean toilet, clean towel, working lamp, working kettle. So this thing I am expecting when I am entering in any hotel room. Fourth one, augmented product that exceed customer expectation. In developed countries, brand positioning competition take place. At this level, because of tough competition, they try to deliver more than expectation. Means I am expecting clean bed, clean toilet, clean towel, working lamp, working kettle. But if I will get more than my expectation. Like my once I enter in a room, I get some fresh fruits in my room, or they give me Wi-Fi facility, or there are free swimming pool access to me. There are n number of facility they are providing nowadays because nowadays competition is too tough. So everybody wants to survive in the competition and they are delivering more than their customer expectation. It is called augmented product. Potential product. Potential product comprises all the possible augmentation and transformation the product in the future. Means companies search for new way to satisfy and their customer and distinguish with their offering. Means now if you enter in any hotel and you get the room, so room is your core benefit. Bed, towel, etc. is your basic product. Clean bed, clean toilet, clean towel is expected product. And if he provide Wi-Fi facility or swimming, you can use the swimming pool or other facility, fresh fruits available in your room. It is augmented product. But in the future, he wants to satisfy with more different services. Like he will offer you some uh, pick up drop facility to you or maybe other. So it is called potential product. So this is the customer value hierarchy. For the time being, I am posing myself here in the continuous series of marketing mix. We will discuss product classification, product mix, product differentiation, product life cycle and other element of marketing mix. Thank you. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. For any doubt or question or any specific topic, please write in the comment section. Thanks.